Assembling your scythe. The basic parts of a scythe are the blade, the handle and the collar. The handle includes a hand grip, and our handle is the European style, which is a straight one. The collar holds the blade onto the handle with a wedge or some type of screw. A wedge is traditional but difficult to set and can be unreliable in the field if it gets loose. Although I understand that my grandfather never took his blade off until it had to be replaced, probably because of the difficulty he had in setting it, it's a good idea to remove and clean the blade after harvest and wrap it in cloth. This protects it from rust and damage and makes it less likely that someone will get cut. You may also have several blades. Possibly an older one is used for cutting the grass or hay, and maybe a smaller or larger one used for different operators.
Yeah. But we have to do it the way it is.
So your first job is to assemble the scythe. Unwrap the blade and place it on the handle. Let's look at it first, doing it using a traditional wedge. It's important not to use the end of the hammer you use for sharpening the blade to knock the wedge in, as you will damage the angle. With the wood shrunk by age, we had to cut additional wooden wedges to hold the blade in place, but it still moved, so we converted the collar to take 2 bolts. These were as short as possible so not to tangle in the crop. Why not use Allen screws, I can hear you say. First, it's not that easy to get them in Hungary, nor Allen keys, while everyone had a spanner, and spanners are harder to lose than an Allen key. Also, with the bolts, you can hand tighten them easily.
Ott van? Itt van. Ha még nézd, nem tudom. Az jártam. Az fordítva jár, nem? Hát ez így nem? Jár. Nem? Ez most így jár. Ja. Igen. Van rajta hang? Hol? Videón. Van. Nincs hang? Van. Ja, hang. Akkor nem pofálok fölöslegesen.
With the blade on the handle, we next add a cradle and then set it. So next up, the cradle.
Város van